Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Y'all, you can freeze eggs and then turn around and bake or cook with them, okay? In a mixed up version. Now, you're not going to get sunny side up eggs out of frozen eggs, but that's okay. Next time eggs go on sale, grab some, do them like this, put them in something, freeze them, okay? Thaw them out and use them in cooking and baking, scrambled eggs, egg bites. You're welcome. I just did it. I'm fixing to make egg bites with mine. So try that next time eggs go on sale and preserve them. You're welcome.